Alright fam, my friend recently sent me a video about putting a hook blade in an oscillating saw. After playing around with it a bit, you're going to want to hook the blade end on the two teeth, like this. Then insert your blade holder and tighten up, fam. If you don't tighten it well enough, it will wiggle out. It should look something like this. And before you ask, no, Mustard Fam. It doesn't work with the DeWalt. Why is this great? Well, if you've ever worked with tough plastics, vinyl floorings, or even shingles, yeah, shingles, it makes them cut like butter. You can even cut weird shapes into this. Check this out. Check it out. A gun.